Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is what is lead generation. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in a little bit deeper. So guys, if you don't know, lead generation means that you are getting people interested in your business and you can turn them into a potential customer. And next up, why is it important? So guys, lead generation help you build trust and turn strangers into potential customer by meeting their needs. So guys, how does inbound marketing help? Inbound marketing can attract people and help them become interested in your business. And next one is what steps are involved in lead generation. So guys, lead generation can happen when visitors come to your site, or if they click on a button, or if they fill out a form, and that means it is a lead generation. So guys, how do you turn leads into a customer? So guys, after you get leads, of course you turn them into paying customer. So in order for you to do that, you have to meet their needs. And guys, after you meet their needs, of course they will get interested into your business, and they can potentially be your customer, and they could become a paying customer. And there you go. See ya.